Hi there, welcome to our video. Today's video is for specially strawberry lovers. Strawberries are one of the most popular and beloved fruit in the world. They are sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor, making them a favorite for desserts, smoothies, and even salad. Strawberries are also incredibly healthy and packed with nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help boost your immune system and fight off disease. In addition to their taste and health benefits, strawberries are also relatively easy to grow and can be grown in a variety of settings, from small backyard gardens to large commercial farms. Growing your own strawberries can be a fun and rewarding experience, and it allows you to enjoy the freshest and most delicious berries possible. Our video on how to plant strawberry seeds. Strawberries are one of the most delicious fruit out there, and there is nothing quite like growing your own. And this video, we will show you step by step how to plant strawberry seeds so that you can enjoy these sweet and juicy berries in no time. Choosing the right seeds. The first step to growing strawberries from seed is to choose the right seeds. You can either buy seeds from a gardening store or save seeds from a ripe strawberry that you have packed. If you are buying seeds, make sure to choose a variety that is suited to your climate and growing conditions. Preparing the soil. Next, you will want to prepare the soil for planting strawberries. Prefer well drained soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. If your soil is heavy or clay like, you may need to amend it with sand or organic matter to improve drain. You can also add a slow release fertilizer to the soil to help the plants grow. Planting the seeds. To plant the seeds, start by filling a seed tray or small pots with soil. Moisten the soil with water, but make sure it's not too wet. Next, sprinkle the seeds on top of the soil and cover them with a thin layer of soil. You can also place a plastic cover over the tray or pots to create a mini greenhouse and help keep the soil moist. Once the seeds have germinated and the seedling have emerged, you will need to care for them carefully. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight, water them regularly, and feed them with a liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. You will also want to then out the seedling so that there is only one plant per pot or space them out if they are planted in the garden. Transplanting the seedling. Once the seedling have grown a few sets of true leaves and are sturdy enough, it's time to transplant them into the garden. Choose a sunny spot with well drained soil and plant the seedling about 12 inches apart. Make sure to water them well after transplanting. Whether you are an experienced gardener or a beginner, learning how to plant strawberry seeds is a great way to start growing your own strawberries. With a little bit of patience and care, you can watch your strawberry seeds grow into healthy plants that produce delicious berries all summer long. So why not give it a try and plant some strawberry seeds today. We hope you found this video helpful and happy planting. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and tricks.